Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall the Google Chrome web browser on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select the Programs and Features button. Select Google Chrome from this list and then select uninstall. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. So you will need to close out Google Chrome before proceeding. And then we're going to go back in and try and uninstall it. Select yes. And then we're going to go ahead and uninstall. And then once it's removed, you will need to go restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was pretty straightforward. And once we're done with that, we're going to go open up a web browser and we're going to go search for Google Chrome. And go ahead and select one of the best results. It should say Chrome. Go ahead and open that up. Now we're going to uncheck the option to send usage statistics, unless you want to, of course. And we're going to select Download Chrome. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up. Select Yes if you receive the user account control prompt. And you can close out the web browser too at this time. So once that's done, you can close out of here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.